Meaning of airy.
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 Airy. The suffix airy is commonly used in the English language to form nouns that generally refer to a place of work or a collection of items related to a particular process or skill. It denotes a state or quality of being and can often be seen in words such as bakery, brewery, pottery, and surgery. These words indicate a location where baking, brewing, pottery making, or surgical operations are carried out, respectively. In essence, the airy suffix creates a collective term for a specific type of craft or trade, indicating the result of a particular skill or process.